Hello everyone, in this video I will be covering how to use the Cite This For Me Chrome web extension. To find this extension, you will go to Chrome Web Store, search Cite This For Me, and it is right here, the free one. Then you click Add to Chrome, and once you find a website that you would like to use to cite, then you will go up to your top right corner. You will find all your web extensions. You will click on the blue book, and it gives you four options: APA, Chicago, Harvard, or MLA. Typically, you might use MLA for a reading paper, and that's what I use more often than not. And once you get to the website that you would like to cite, you go to MLA, click once on the site, and hit Command C. Once it is copied, you'll go to your document and paste it. And there you go. There's MLA format. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed this video.